Ever wonder what happens when the sun loses its temper? That's a solar flare, the sun's version of an explosion. It's a sudden blast of light, heat, and radiation that shoots out from the sun's surface. Let's break it down. The sun isn't solid. It's a giant ball of charged gas called plasma. Inside that plasma, magnetic fields twist and tangle as the sun spins. Sometimes those magnetic lines get too stressed, like rubber bands pulled too tight. Then they snap. That snap releases a massive burst of energy, millions of times stronger than every volcano on Earth going off at once. We see that as a bright flash, a solar flare. Each flare throws out radiation across the spectrum, from X-rays to visible light to radio waves. And this happens near dark regions on the sun called sunspots, where magnetic fields are the strongest. Scientists group flares by size, kind of like rating hurricanes. C-class are small, M-class are medium, and X-class? Those are monsters. An X-class flare can release enough energy to power the entire world for thousands of years. Now here's the cool part. The light from a solar flare reaches Earth in just 8 minutes. But that radiation mostly hits our upper atmosphere, not the ground. That's why astronauts and satellites have to worry more than we do. Still, those bursts can mess with our tech, GPS signals, radio waves, even airline navigation. That's why NASA watches the sun non-stop with satellites like the Solar Dynamics Observatory. In simple terms, a solar flare is the sun's magnetic field throwing a tantrum. It's nature's reminder that our nearest star is still wildly alive and occasionally a little dramatic.